just been down to the post office to collect this. It's a battery from Mick's garage. And hopefully that'll start to breathe life into the charade. Forgot that, didn't I? Oh no, it was this one, turn right.
What's that actually?
We should have turned right at that. You see, look, that means turn right.
Yeah.
We didn't turn right.
But what's that?
That's a transmitter sign. It was at the top of the hill. So we should have gone down a little bit to it.
We didn't see any.
No. But I will take off the cap now so that it doesn't hold back the water and it'll flow out the bottom. Perhaps that's easier said than done. I have it slung up from 3 different points, so I should be able to take the strain now. Okay.
Here.
Another one.
Another one.
Yeah. We find out what happens. Now we go
5 tons.
Yeah. We're okay. We're not 5 tons. Up.
I was worried. Okay, yeah?
Yeah.
Just brake before. Yeah. Yeah, it's all work.
Handle. Oh, you saw that? I just decided to try it with the ignition turned off and something happened. This is the freewheeling. Yeah. The turtle of death finally appeared on the dash for the first time ever, and I'd say we only got about a kilometre after that. And then it just shut down, freewheeled, battery light on, no traction power at all. So this is what happens when your Leaf runs out of power. 1 kilometre short of the charger.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Another bit of luck.
Come on your belts now. And that is freewheeling off a recovery truck and up to the charger. Did I have a socket in my hand just a second ago? Need to get more sleep. I was working on the bodywork of the car until 12 last night and back out at 7 this morning.
Little bit of sport.
Yeah.
Moving in.
Well done, sir. Thanks. So, Moby's not starting very well on the key. We're underway again. Before the last car, somebody catching us now. That's the Blue Ascona. Well done, thank you. Glad to have you.
Yeah. Well, human starter.
I think we have to park up a hill at the hotel now.